Hey guys, welcome to Sneha's Craft. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you Valentine's Day pop-up book kitchen. Oh, that's a long title.
Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the
Like moonlight over Hollywood when it's cool, yeah. 'Cause you know it's gonna go, baby. We'll never get old.
To make this, you will need 4 pop-up cards. All cards are made using 10 by 5 cm paper. For first card, take 10 by 5 cm paper and mark 5 and 6 cm. Draw the parallel lines on 5 and 6 cm mark. Then take picture of teddy bear, flip it and place it on 6 cm line. Make sure you place it in the middle where there is equal space on both the sides. Trace the teddy bear as shown. Then mark 0 to 0.5 cm at top of his head and draw 2 parallel lines measuring 1 cm from his head. Make this line so we know where to fold the tab. Then cut the teddy bear as shown in the image. Cut 2 parallel lines and leave the gaps where his legs touches 6 cm line and cut the rest. Then use your fingers to gently push the teddy up towards you. Then fold the paper in half and crease the teddy properly. Then cut the picture of teddy and stick it on the popped out section. That's it, first card is ready. Let's move to the next card. For second card, take 10 by 5 cm paper and mark 5 cm on both sides. Then you will need this template. Place it on the paper, make sure that the line on the template is lined with 5 cm mark. Keep it in place using masking tape. I'll place it over here so it is in the center. You will find this template online, just search for HiHeartU pop-up card template. Then cut along the solid lines. Cut out the center of the heart and little heart on top of eye. Then score along the dotted line on top and bottom of letter I and U. Remove the tape and crease the scored line. Fold the card in half and crease the popped out HiHeartU section properly. Oh, before creasing, erase the 5 cm mark we made. Cut the lines which are not cut properly. Oops, be careful. Then you can crease all the lines. You have to cut this part. I don't know why I kept it and thought of folding it. Second card is ready. Keep it aside and let's move to the third card. For the third card, take 10 by 5 cm paper. Start by marking 5 and 6 cm. This is almost similar to the first card, just instead of teddy, we will be using heart. Draw 2 parallel lines on 5 and 6 cm mark. Turn it vertically and mark half of 5 cm, that is 2.5 cm. Take 4.5 cm paper and fold it in half. Cut half heart shape and unfold it so we have full heart shape. Fold bottom a little as shown. Make sure it is straight. Place the heart on 6 cm line. Bottom fold must be lined with 6 cm line and line on the heart must be lined with 2.5 cm mark. Trace the heart as shown. Then mark 0 to 0.5 cm on both top section of the heart and draw 4 parallel lines measuring 1 cm. Draw a straight line so we know where to fold. Then cut all 4 parallel lines and cut the heart leaving the part on 6 cm. Then use your fingers and gently push the heart section up towards you. Fold the card in halves, and crease the heart properly. Cut 2 slits on the heart as shown to pass the arrow. Take picture of arrow and pass through the cuts. Adjust where you want it to be. It is okay if after closing the card your arrow comes out a little. It will be not visible after closing the book. See that it doesn't come out too much. After placing where you want it, glue it in place by pulling it from behind, applying glue and sticking it. Stick it properly where you want it. That's it, third card is ready. Let's move to the last card. For the last card, take 10 by 5 cm paper. Fold it in half. On folded side, mark 0.2 cm, mark it on both sides. On 0.2 cm mark, draw 0.5 cm lines on both sides as shown to cut the slits. Cut the slits and fold the tab on either side of the card so it will be easier while folding it inwards. Fold it properly. Open the card and fold the tab inwards. Then mark 0.5 cm on folded side. Mark it on both sides and draw 0.5 cm lines for slits. Cut the slits, fold the tab, open the card and fold it inward. Repeat the same 3 more times till there is only 0.6 cm remaining for last tab. Mark 0.5 cm, draw 0.5 cm line, cut the slit and fold the tab. This all was for the 4th row. Then move to the bottom for 3rd row. Leave little gap from previous cut slit and cut 0.5 cm slit as shown. Fold it on other side and fold it inward as shown. Repeat the same 3 more times. Again from the bottom for 2nd row. Leave little gap from previous slit and cut 0.5 cm as shown. Fold it on other side and fold it inwards. Repeat it 1 more time. Again from the bottom for top tab. Cut 0.5 cm on both sides, leaving little gap from previous slit for the last tab. Fold it on other side and fold it inwards. Then take white pen, write Happy Valentine's Day and draw the hearts on tabs as shown. For 3rd row, draw 2 hearts on side tabs and write Happy on 5 middle tabs. I will draw hearts, wait for some time. For 4th row, write Valentine's. Write each letter on each tab except for N and T. You have to adjust that on middle tab because there are only 9 tabs and Valentine's is 10 letter word, making it proper. For 2nd row, draw 5 hearts on 3 tabs. 3 hearts on middle tabs and 1 heart on each side tabs. Leave top tab for now. Write day on the card. Adjust the tabs and fold the card. Then take couples cutout, stick it on the top tab and close the card. Make sure to stick it straight. Last card is ready. Keep it aside and let's move to making a book. Take the paper to wrap the book cover. Cut 2 boards measuring 5.5 cm square and cut 0.5 cm into 5.5 cm board for the spine. Now glue one cover onto the paper. Then glue the spine, leaving about 0.2 cm gap in between. Then leave another 0.2 cm gap on other side and glue the last board. Run bone folder or back of the scissors to smooth out bubbles. Cut the excess paper off. Cut all 4 corners at the angle as shown and leave little gap at the tip. Apply glue to one flap. Remember, put the waste paper down. Fold it as shown so the flap glues on evenly. Pinch the little gaps on the tips. Repeat the same for 3 other flaps. Then take a paper, mark 1 cm, 1.1 cm, 2.1 cm, 3.1 cm, 3.2 cm and 4.2 cm. 3.1 cm, this is wrong. Mark 5 cm on this side. Cut it out. So now you have paper measuring 4.2 into 5 cm. Go 1 cm, 1.1 cm, 2.1 cm, 3.1 cm and 3.2 cm. Fold them as shown. Fold 2.1 cm on opposite side and rest on the same side. Glue the middle part as shown. When you finish, you will have 3 little hinges. This is a binding for your book. Bring in the cover and apply glue to the top of the spine. Fold the thread in half and stick it. You can use ribbon for this, but if you are using ribbon, see that it is less than 0.4 cm or else you may find difficult to close the book. Then cut the paper measuring 5 cm on one side and other side can be of any measure. Stick it on the spine area of the cover as shown. Take the binding, apply the glue at the bottom and stick it to the spine. Make sure to stick it properly. Then take 4 10 by 5 cm papers. Take one, fold it in half and cut it. You will get 2 squares. Apply glue to one square and stick it on one side. Apply glue to other square and stick it on the other side. Then take other 3 papers and fold it in half. Apply glue to one hinge, stick it on one side of the paper. Apply glue all over and stick the other side. Repeat the same for remaining 2 papers. Now it's time to stick the cards. Let's start from the last card. Apply glue to the bottom side of the card. I'm applying to the half part only, so if I stick it wrong, I can remove and stick it again. I'm doing this for this card only. Stick the card to the book. Hold the paper as shown so you will know where exactly to stick the card. Line the fold of the card to the fold of the book. Apply glue to the other side of the card. Here also I applied for the half part. Then close the page as shown so the card sticks to the page. See if the card is proper and apply glue to the remaining half of the card on both sides. Then stick all other cards normally as you stick pop-up cards. Apply glue to the bottom side. Stick the card lining the fold of the card to the fold of the book. Apply glue to the other side and close the page.
Heading down Cali, driving round with my baby. Top drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded.
For the last card, apply glue on the bottom side and stick it to the page. Hold the cover straight up, then apply glue on the other side and stick it to the cover. Now it's time to decorate the cover. I'm sticking 2 hearts to the cover, and to keep it closed I have this ribbon. Tie ribbon around the book roughly. Let's move the knot on the other side. Turn the book around, apply glue where you want to stick the ribbon and stick it. Untie the ribbon and tie it properly as you want. Make a bow and cut the excess off. Then pass a jump ring through the thread and put the kitchen ring in the jump ring. Close the jump ring with the pliers. Then you can decorate the book using stickers. I downloaded these stickers and printed it out on normal printer paper. That's it, Valentine's Day pop-up book keychain is ready. You can just make pop-up book and gift it as it is, or you can put keychain ring and make it pop-up book keychain. Later I made 2 more books with different closures. For this I used hook and loop fastener. Inside of the book is same. I made this flap and applied hook here and applied loop on the other side. I applied the red heart on the flap. This I made using elastic closure. Inside is the same. I added elastic same way as you do for notebooks with elastic closure. These are the 3 ways you can make this pop-up book keychain. Enjoy!
You're like New York in the sunshine. I'm a fool, yeah. I got my love blind, and ooh, yeah. Got my heart out, and it's covered in gold. Like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah. 'Cause you know it's good, oh baby. We'll never get old. Heading down Cali, driving round with my baby. Top drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded. My heart got me going all crazy. I'll be rocking it right.